Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm DEVINCI. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install your synthetic lace front wigs, how to make them look bomb, and how to slay the hairline on your synthetic wigs without like any effort. I didn't pluck the hair, didn't add any foundation. This is just, you know, what we're looking like. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this super fabulous hair, okay, keep watching. So this hair is from TrendyWigs.com. This hair is so long, it's so gorgeous. I'm actually really feeling it, y'all. Like, this is super cute. The color is reminding me of, because I have the LALA wig too, but this is longer than the LALA wig, and this one is like more of a pink and purple mix, like a cotton candy color. So these are total vibes. Like, I feel like I can wear this to work and get away with it. Like a lot of the TrendyWigs wigs, I can wear them because the hairline is just so natural looking. It's like, who's gonna tell you that it's not your hair? I feel fabulous. Like, I literally feel so good. It's not even the wig, it's just, oh, if you're interested in seeing, keep watching. So today we're gonna be putting on our TrendyWigs wigs. This was the box. It kind of came a little smushed, but that's okay. In the box comes with hair care, tells you how to care for your care for your wig. Also comes with 2 wig caps, a nude one and a black one. And it also comes with some bobby pins. Oh my gosh, I don't have no scissors to cut this lace off with, and I don't have no other wig. Okay. So this is the Dusky Rose. I always love TrendyWigs' hairlines. Like, they're very easy to work with, you know. Currently in Vegas, so we gonna have to, it looks like this is only the parting area. Like, you could kind of throw it to the side. That's probably how I'll wear it. And swoosh some baby hairs over here. Don't really feel like plucking. I don't have a flat iron, anything like that. The color is beautiful. Then I'm gonna show you guys the line. But be sure to use code DEVINCI30 for 30% off. We're gonna go in with our actual Got2b glue. Put it on our edges. There is a blow dryer in the bathroom. So if I do that, I'm gonna just like go blow dry it on cool, and then I would like come back and apply my wig. Put it on our edges. I can't really see, but I just put this Got2b glue that I use, the black one, and I just put it on the perimeter of my head. So that's what we're gonna do. If you don't have any, you could just take your hands and go like this. Is this what I'm about to do? Because it's cool air, you just need cool air. All right, so it's getting tacky. I'm gonna also go in with a bit of the Got2b glue because I'm extra. My fiance has a performance tonight, and if I'm wild and getting crazy, it's not gonna fall off my head, but this is just extra security. And I'm gonna just spray it in the same bits and areas that I sprayed the gel. And then we're gonna just lightly go over this again. I'm gonna get my rat tail comb ready. All right, so if you guys seen any of my videos, you guys know that I let me stop talking, but I put this whole thing on my head at once. I just really don't have a good mirror right now, y'all. I'm in a hotel. All these excuses, but no. Getting my thing, having it positioned where I want it. Okay. But yeah, this is just really helping it get into formation.
Drop the bass, main the bass, get lower. Radio say speed it up, I just go slower. High like treble, puffing on the mirrors. The man ain't
got bad eggs in the bunch. Taking the hair, using our finger, and just adding it, you know. Just like that. And I can cut this a little more. Cut this one super short.
First things first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it.
Okay.
Feel it.
And then one more side I'm gonna do is this. Super tiny too. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like. This hair is like a pretty lilac pink. Almost reminds me of like cotton candy. This side's probably better. This is how my TrendyWigs wig turned out. You guys can see. So you could put it like low-key part to the middle. This would be my part to the middle vibe. Probably how I'm realistically gonna wear it for the day. And then you can also, you know, go to this side. So it's very versatile. As you guys can see in the majority of the tutorial, I had it in a ponytail like this. So yeah, I'm like really digging it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Be sure to check out TrendyWigs.com and use code JDaVinci30 for 30% off of your total. That's awesome. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.